In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move deals between stages in Salesflare. Keeping your pipeline accurate is essential for forecasting, staying organized, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Salesflare makes this simple with a visual pipeline and a quick way to update multiple deals at once. I'll walk you through both approaches so you can choose what fits your workflow. The easiest way is using the drag-and-drop pipeline view. Open the Opportunities or Pipeline view, where your deals appear as cards grouped into stage columns. This view works like a Kanban board, so each column represents a stage in your process. Locate the deal you want to update, click and hold the deal card, and drag it from its current column to the stage you want. Release to drop it in place. The stage updates instantly, and you'll see the card move to its new column. If you drop it in the wrong place, no worries. Just drag it again to the correct stage. This method is great for quick daily maintenance, reviewing progress during team check-ins, or moving deals forward right after a key call. If you don't immediately see a deal you're looking for, make sure you're in the correct pipeline and use the search bar to locate it. Once found, you can drag it exactly where it needs to go. If you want to move more than one deal at once, use the bulk edit option. Head to your list of opportunities and switch to the list view if you aren't already there. You'll see checkboxes appear next to each deal. Select the deals you want to update by clicking their checkboxes. Next, open the Bulk Actions menu and choose Edit Stage or Move to Stage. Pick the new stage you want to apply and confirm. Salesflare will move all selected deals to that stage at the same time. This is especially useful after a campaign, a round of qualification, or a pipeline cleanup session. Before you confirm, take a moment to review your selections to avoid moving the wrong deals. That's all there is to it. Use drag and drop for quick, one-off updates in the pipeline view, and use bulk edit in the list view when you need to move multiple opportunities efficiently. Keeping your deals in the right stage ensures your pipeline reflects reality, helps your team stay aligned, and keeps your metrics accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.